welcome back. Welcome back. You loving this? Are you loving this crazy headline? Well, welcome to another episode of Crazy Headlines That Kick Butt, where I let you get inside my crazy head and I walk you through how I create winning killer headlines for my clients, and they love me for it. Okay, so I am going to talk about something that was a little interesting today. This was for a product on blood sugar management. Okay, it was blood sugar. Wow, that's an area I'm kind of weak in personally. I had to really study it and understand more about how blood sugar worked. So I struggled a little bit with a copy on this one. But when it came down to creating the headline, I was stuck. I was going, okay, what do I want to talk about? What is it that my prospect really wants, want to know? What do they want from this product? And so I kept thinking, well, if you've got blood sugar issues, one thing that you're doing on a regular is you're checking your blood, your blood sugar levels, and you want to get good results on there, right? I'm thinking, okay, ultimately you want to have great blood sugar levels, and that will let you know you're doing okay for your body, or whatever regimen you're following is the right protocol. So I kept thinking, all right, I got to bring this up. How am I going to bring this up very quickly to be able to, let the reader see the benefits from the product? And then, bam, the idea came to me. I remember it. I was taking a nap, and I kept thinking about it before. I'm going, well, what do I want to know? Like, what do I want to do? And then I had this idea, and I came up with, bam, this. What did it? The remarkable all-natural remarkable all-natural powerhouse formula that contains 7 stellar nutrients scientifically proven to help regulate blood sugar levels. So the what did it was an intrigue. Now, what really is selling this is the cover photo with that blood sugar, the same blood sugar perfect. I'll let you in on a little secret here. I actually had the numbers of great blood sugar, on here, but legal department wouldn't let me put a specific number on there. So we had to change it to say perfect instead of actually giving a specific number, so that the prospect would say, whoa, low blood sugar, what did this, right? So I just went with a question headline. Question headlines are wonderful, okay? But here's a caution to using question headlines. Make sure it's a question that is going to follow suit with what you want the reader to do or know about. Don't just ask random questions that's going to take your reader to a whole different, area, and you're going to lose them. So be careful about when you ask questions. Make sure they're targeted enough to keep your prospect where you want him or her to be. So in this case, showing that blood pressure, blood sugar that is saying that it's perfect, and go, well, what did it? What did it? And in this case, I actually gave away the solution right there on the cover. I don't always do this. I don't always let people know I'm selling you a product. In this case, I don't know, it just felt right. It's like, what did it? This is what did it. Now find out more inside about how you can get your good blood sugar levels too. So it was a risk, definitely a risk. I tried it. It tested it tested with other covers, but at one point this one did it, and it was a 3-word question headline. So what can you learn from this? Ask questions. Ask questions in your headline. Keep them short. Be very direct. Use your graphic to support your questions, and see how it could work for you too. This is not something that I've invented. Question headlines have been around for a very long time. So you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You can find out what it is that's been done and do it yourself. So in this case, try a what did it headline. Try something like that, a 3-word question, or longer questions if you want to, but try a question headline and be very in your face about it with the answer. Try that, okay? Let me know how it goes. I will talk with you next time. See ya. Rev up your writing skills with $1 Million award-winning copywriting secrets delivered right to your mailbox. Use these tips, hints, and proven marketing strategies to write killer sales copy and boost your career and income. Go to carline-cole.com and sign up for my free Copy Start Easy today.